Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the course. We will understand the definition of DeepSeek AI and its important features in this first lesson. Along with the main characteristics, we'll discover why it's essential and why we shouldn't use the other AI solutions available on the market. So let's get right to the definition of DeepSeek AI. As stated, it is essentially an AI model, which is a relatively new product on the market. It was there, but only lately did it reveal a reasoning model that is reportedly 10 times stronger than OpenAI's, which is paid and costs about $200 a month, whereas DeepSeek is totally free. That's one of the primary features of DeepSeek AI. Furthermore, it is free. As stated here, it also features a new picture generation model called Janus AI Pro, which is produced by the same business. DeepSeek AI is designed to be a powerful and versatile artificial intelligence platform, equipped with advanced capabilities to tackle a wide range of tasks. Let's now discuss DeepSeek AI's important features. Okay? Considering that it is open source and free, you may download it to your computer and use Chrome or a similar program to execute it. I will most likely explain this in later course videos. It is open source and totally free to use. To reiterate, you have the option to host the model yourself or run it locally. Additionally, compared to OpenAI or other models available, the API is really affordable if you want to use it. Apparently, it is 10 times less expensive than OpenAI. That's what I've observed anyway. Additionally, you can install it on Amazon SageMaker, your own hardware, or another location. The ability to retrain the AI, modify its weights, or do other things to tailor it to your individual use case is also crucial. It is, of course, a major thing. If a model like DeepSeek AI is made available to users directly, it creates a plethora of opportunities for the open source community to create a variety of applications. As I mentioned before, we also have the Janus image model, which was only recently made available. Additionally, this open source allows us to create photos or similar content. Indeed, it's among the best AI models available, and I believe you should learn how to use it and develop various applications using it. It will benefit you as an AI engineer, AI practitioner, or even just someone looking to advance in their career. Okay, we'll jump right into the following video where I'll walk you through creating API keys and using them,